That's the Moped. The ignition goes through. I'll probably have that fixed by tomorrow though. Let's see. I just need to get a bolt. Fits that. Goes there. I got a mirror. Horn works. Headlights. Back brake. Clutch. Blinkers. Front brake is not there. That can be fixed. Just got a compartment. Key lock. Goes in there. Not a lock to fit in there, but it keeps stuff in there. Pedals. Good tires. Blinkers. I need a new blinker. This one's broke. Wiring's good. This works, it's good. Same on this side. Need a new one. This works. Disconnected the brake. I was gonna pull that out, but I put it back on. Goes there. Yeah. There's the Moped. Alright.